Hi cuties, Whitey here. Today we're going to transform the word love into something sweet and cute. Thanks to all your encouragement and love for my unicorn word challenge, I decided to try it again to celebrate Valentine's. And of course that meant I had to choose the word love to try this challenge with, because that's what Valentine's is all about. So there, hope you guys love this cute little koala that I created with the word love, and it inspires you to give it a try and draw it for someone that you love this Valentine's. Let me know in the comments below if you think I succeeded or failed with this challenge. Thanks so much for watching, and if you love my little koala, please give me a thumbs up, share it, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.